Hello guys, here is how to fix the dreaded can't send messages for 7 days issue on Instagram. This message usually appears when you violated Instagram's community guidelines. Start by reviewing your recent activity, such as messages or comments, to check if you've sent spam or inappropriate content. If that's the case, you'll likely need to wait for the restriction to be lifted. Note: while many users see a 7-day ban, some might only get a 1-day or 3-day restriction, depending on the severity of the violation or if it's a first-time offense. The fix remains the same for all durations. The second step is to appeal the restriction. To do this, go to Settings, then tap Help and choose Report a Problem. Here's how. Open Settings, tap on Help, select Report a Problem. Explain the issue and why you believe the restriction is a mistake. This issue may occur if the user has restricted or blocked you. You're messaging a private account you don't follow. Your account has been flagged for violating policies. Parental controls or supervision settings are enabled. You're using an outdated version of the app, or there's an Instagram bug or service outage. Keeping your app updated and using Instagram responsibly helps prevent these kinds of restrictions. If your appeal isn't successful, you'll need to wait out the restriction period, whether it's 1 day, 3 days, or 7 days. During this time, focus on following Instagram's rules to prevent future issues. And that's it. That's how to deal with the can't send messages for 7 days error on Instagram. Stay safe online, follow the rules, and avoid spammy behavior. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.